Hello everyone, today I'll be giving you introduction to a simple gas sensor breakout board designed by Tenet Technetronics. So this board was simply designed by our engineers, and this simple gas sensor breakout board is designed in such a way that it can work with any MQ series gas sensors. Like it can interface with MQ3, MQ4, MQ6 and MQ7 gas sensor. So this breakout board, as you can see, has 4 pins. So this simplifies the connection of this gas sensor with 6 pins to 4 pins here. So that is broken out with 0.1 spacing, so that makes the board compatible with 0.1 inches headers to standard breadboards. This board has a diameter of 16.8 millimeters. You can see here, which matches the diameter of a small gas sensor packages, providing a more convenient compact connection within the bounds of a sensor itself. The row, as you can see here, has 1 into 2 pins are spaced 0.5 inch apart, allowing the breakout board to work with the standard breadboards. So with this you can connect directly to the breadboards. So it allows the easier connection to the breadboard. So now we'll just see the simple connection of how this breadboard is. So here we can see the 4 pins. So it has one called the H1 and A1. So both are connected to the 5 volt, and we can see the next one, that is ground, to be connected to the ground. And we have the other one pin, that is a 4th pin, that is B1, to an ADC input of your microcontroller. And there is a sensitivity resisting setting resistor is required, so that RL should be connected between B1 and the ground. So here before we saw there was 1 pin for ground and 1 B, so we need to connect each other. So with that, the resistance of RL should be calculated using the data sheet for your particular gas sensor. And the last, before I finish it, the MQ gas sensor has light to no polarity, so the gas sensor will work with the board any way it fits into the 6 pins. Now we'll see a simple demonstration of how we can connect this gas sensor breakout with a simple prototype of a home and detects the gas and the smoke in the environment. Now we'll see a simple demonstration of this gas sensor breakout board, how it works. So here, as you can see, a small prototype home. So this small prototype home is just created just to generate or just to make this house how it can detect the gas sensor. So here you can see this is the gas sensor breakout board, as I explained before. This gas sensor breakout is used in this house so that it generates the smoke that is generated in the house. So once a smoke is generated in this house, what happens? This gives a signal to the Arduino. The Arduino, ultimately what happens is that it gives the supply to the fan. So it triggers the fan. So this fan is triggered by this relay breakout board. So this relay breakout board is used to trigger this fan, and this relay breakout board gets a 12 volt power supply by this Tenet power supply breakout board. So this Arduino also triggers the LED. So both this fan and this LED will start blinking once it detects the smoke inside this house. So we'll just see a simple demonstration how this works. So once the smoke detects, this fan should switch on and the smoke should go out, and this LED should simultaneously blink. Once there is no gas, there is no smoke inside the house, this should automatically switch off, the LED should also switch off. So we just see a symbol. Here I have the agarbatti or something that generates a smoke, and here you can see once I come nearby, you can see here. Now I can feel the fan running and you can see the light switches on. So once I remove, you can see both the fan and the LED should switch off. I'll show you once again. I can bring it. Here you can see the fan is switched on. So this Arduino gives the supply to this relay breakout board, and the relay breakout board also gives the supply, that is a 12 volt power supply, to this fan, and this blinks and the LED simultaneously blinks. So this is a simple demonstration how this gas sensor breakout board generates, or it detects the gas, and ultimately this fan switches on and the LED also switches on to make the people understand that there is a smoke, and we can make this house free of smoke, free of gas automatically. Thank you for watching this video.